Hey everyone, getting started, you'll need maybe some Sharpies and a pencil to get started, and probably some colored pencils or something else to color your art project. So, first thing we always do to get started is we're going to write our name, and today we're going to be making a feather art. And so when we get started, we're going to start to get that. So you can start with the center line. That's where I kind of started, and I'm going to actually make this one at a kind of an angle. Doesn't have to be straight, that's the best part. So at the top, I kind of put the tip of my feather, and I just kind of think about how those parts, right, and breaking up a feather and how it comes down, because not a feather doesn't have to be one specific way. So breaking it up into a couple segments. And you can even break it up further once you go back in and fine tune it with the Sharpie. It almost becomes a little bit of a zentangle artwork. So there's kind of the rough estimate of drawing it out. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to actually I'm actually going to put Sharpie on it, so I'm going to fast forward that.